Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I know Hanukkah's over, but still the holiday season. So I always enjoy the end of the year wrap-ups that my favorite YouTubers do and whatnot. So I thought I would just do a little 2020 year in review kind of thing, just chit-chat with you guys while the year's coming to a close. So this is going to be a little chit-chat before we do other stuff for the coming year. Tell you guys what I've got in the pipeline, year if it's gone, stuff like that. First of all, just want to say thank you all for the amazing support this year. I started uploading in May, I believe, which is a little quick story time kind of thing, just telling you guys my background in fish keeping and all that stuff. And I've been uploading since, on and off, but try to do a schedule. Really haven't been able to keep to it since work went back, but we'll get there. We'll get to a schedule and be uploading probably every other week maybe. I'm hoping that's what I'm going to shoot for coming in the new year. But yeah, we started with that video back in May. Slowly grew. So far my most viewed video is my beta sorority video, which I gave people some tips on how I kept mine and what I learned. Other than that, it was the Rachel literally scrapping from scraps challenge one, which makes sense because it was tagged to a bigger tuber. Other than that, we've worked on community events this year with River Life, Fish from Fever, Chattanooga Ed, Zen Ginger, Guppy Guru. Was nice enough to work with Lisa from KT Tropicals as well. First one was our Project Basilia. That one's super fun. Then we did Anabantoid, which we did in August, and now we're running Catfishmas, which you guys still have at the time this will be uploaded. You have a week. You have until next Thursday, the 31st of December, New Year's Eve, not Christmas Eve. Tonight's Christmas Eve. You have till New Year's Eve at midnight exactly. Once that ball drops in New York, no more entries. You guys know the drill, same thing. Picture, video, art. Judges will pick their best ones. We've got some pretty decent entries coming in so far, so that's cool. The email to send that to is fishfamcommunityevents@gmail.com. I will put it on your screen. I'm flashing my hands, not that you can see it, but there you go. We also have a Facebook group that you can join, which is just called Fish Fam Community Events. Pretty simple. I will be running all of them in the future through there. And yes, I said future. We do plan on doing these in 2021. I will probably work out a schedule and try and get a general idea of which ones we're going to do for the new year. I would say look for the spring, early spring probably for the first one, if I had to take a guess. But I haven't talked to anyone else. That's just my personal guess. My guess is we'll do 3 to 4. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't go very well, we won't do them. But if people still like them and enjoy them, we'll keep doing them. Let's see what else we do this year. Oh yeah, we started a weekly stream with Chattanooga Ed. That's every Friday. It started out at 4 Eastern, but we've kind of pushed it back to 4:15, 4:20-ish, depending on when I get home from work and how Ed's doing. We do that every week. We talk about pretty much anything. It's a variety show. So Ed and I'll talk about fish a little bit. The only consistency is our Game of the Week segment. That's always super fun to see what Ed's going to pull out. He's got way more games than I do and more interesting games. Pretty much my entire collection is just Monopoly. So, not me. But we do that every week. It's been super fun hanging out with him every Friday. Let's see what else happened in 2020 for me. Oh, we're up to 19 fish tanks now. We started out with a 20-gallon community, which was then turned into our beta sorority, which was then turned into our wild beta community tank. We've now got our 40-gallon community tank, which is my favorite tank. I'm a big community tank person. I just love mixing and matching fish and just see how they interact and all the different colors and types of fish we got. So our 40-gallon community tank is my favorite. We've also got our 30-gallon African cichlid tank with our rusties in it, our yellow labs, and our Manguna, I don't know what they are. But they are Mambunas. I gave one 30, so, smaller fish. The bulk of my fish tanks are for betas. So most of my betas are in 5s that are either split in half or they're in 2.5s, but they all have heaters and all that stuff. So don't worry, they're happy, they're healthy. I got Lisa's seal of approval. My betas are healthy and happy, so I'm good. I'm not going to the doghouse. I'm on the good track still. So that doesn't happen. Got a slew of mods this year, so thanks to all the channels that are trusting me with making sure their channels are running smoothly, posting the links and all that. I believe that it was either Sir Pronalot or Blake that gave me the first mod, and then it just kind of trickled from there. So thank you to all the channels that have given me mod this year and wrenched me up. Hopefully I can continue to support you guys in the new year. Oh yes, we also started selling fish this year. So before the pandemic hit, I was going to breed some purple mosaic guppies, and I was going to bring them to a local fish store and say, here, I can give you a constant supply of these. And that was going to go great. And then COVID. So I was unable to do that. So after seeing Dan stream a couple of times, people talking about Get Gills, I decided that I would just open a Get Gills. So I have a Get Gills store. Currently, I'm not shipping any fish. Just throwing that out there. I'm not shipping fish until after New Year's is over. Probably not going to start shipping again till the second week of January. USPS is just so backed up right now, and I don't have a cool deal with FedEx or anything, or UPS, so it would just be astronomical to charge people shipping for those. If that's the only option, I will look into it for the coming year, but as of right now, I'm not shipping any more fish until probably the second week of January. I had a giveaway winner win a beta fish from me. He lives literally 4 hours away from me. It took 8 days for the damn thing to get there, and it was dead. And I was not happy with UPS or USPS at all. Could have driven it there faster. And the fact that me sending things to Kansas gets there the next day with 2-day priority, but a box going from my state 4 hours west of here takes 8 days to arrive is just, to me, unacceptable. But enough of the negatives. So tomorrow is Christmas Day. I don't know that Ed will be joining me, but I do plan on doing a short hyphenated stream. I'm not going to do the full length. I don't know what time. It's probably going to be like at 4:30. I might go for an hour. But I'm going to be doing some giveaways on that for the Christmas season. So we're going to be giving away a $25 gift card to Aquarium Co-op, everyone's favorite online store. We're going to be giving away a gift card to keepfishkeeping.com. And we might also do a giveaway for Dan's Fish. I have to check my bank account first. But definitely Keep Fish Keeping and Aquarium Co-op are doing giveaways tomorrow. And I'm also going to do like a rundown of my favorite Christmas films or something like that. Speaking of giveaways, if you won something from my 200 subscriber giveaway, do not worry, it's not lost. I'm waiting to ship those until after New Year's as well. So even the regular mail, I'm just going to wait. I would rather be safer than sorry and having it lost in the mail. So if you won something, I did already reach out to you. I should have everyone's addresses. But just know I'm not shipping anything for that stuff either until probably... Maybe I can do it next week, but I'm probably going to wait until like the 4th or 5th of January to send that stuff out. So anyone who won, congratulations, but no, your stuff is not lost. It has just not been shipped yet. But yeah, 2020 was a fun year for me. The most I've ever done in fish keeping. I bred fish for the first time. I've tried a variety of fish that I never kept before. I know, I never kept betas before this year, and now I'm up to, I don't even know how many. Gosh, let me count really quick, I'll get back to you. 30 something? I don't know. It's like I said, the bulk of my fish are betas now. But yeah, I never kept a beta fish. Now I'm at 20 plus, 30 something. I know, I've lost track. Oh, we also started collecting modern art pieces, contemporary abstract art done by Rack Cross, also known as River Life, also known as Pond Life, now rebranded, also known as Bird Garden, his new channel. All links and everything that I've said will be in the description. We started collecting pieces from him, so I've got his stuff all over my room. I got some small stuff, some big stuff, some teeny stuff. I love it. I look at them, it brightens my day. I rotate them out. But yeah, they're just wonderful little pieces of art. Maybe I'll throw some up on the screen so you guys can see them. Now let's see, plans for 2021. I've already mentioned that we're going to keep doing the Fish Fam community events. That's a group thing though, so I can't really talk about that. Other than that, I've got my entire Fish Keeping 101 series for like the bare bones basics. You're brand new to the hobby. Here's my personal tips and tricks on how to do things when you start and what you should do. That whole series is filmed and recorded. I'm just waiting on my friend to do my thumbnail for that, and then I'll start posting those. We've also got probably some more fish food reviews coming because I do have the entire Fluval Bugline flake food for the most part to try out, so that'll be a video. We've also got, let's see, what else? Oh, I will have another tips and tricks video filmed like I did before. That I just have to film all the pieces for, and it takes forever. And then I might just do some like general talking videos where I just talk about certain types of tanks and whatnot. I might do like my personal pick videos kind of things where I do like my personal picks for nanos and whatnot and community tanks. I do want to do a whole spotlight on community tanks. I thought about doing like species spotlights for fish that I have or plant species spotlights that I have, but I don't know about that. We'll see when the new year comes around. But other than that, I just want to thank y'all so much for the support that I've gotten this year on my videos and everything, even outside of videos, even in other channels. It's very nice to found the Fish Fam on YouTube. You guys are so inviting and much nicer than most of the Facebook groups that I joined. I think this time I'm here to stay in the fish keeping community unless something drastic happens and, you know, the house blows up or I have to move and can't keep any tanks other than small 5 gallons. doy. I'm an idiot. I completely forgot to mention that we did get some sponsors this year. Hikari decided to throw me a little support and give me a sponsorship for some food and stuff. And free food that I did a whole video on. Go check that out. Let's see, I also got sponsored by a company called manzanitadriftwood.com. I've gotten some pieces from them. They do hardscaping stuff. They do stuff to fish too. I've gotten fish from them through their eBay site. Good people for fish and hardwood. I have not had any problems. You can use code LEFTY10 for 10% off any order. We also got a apparel sponsor, which is 86th Apparel. They do a lot of gaming stuff. I've actually had them since I started streaming. So yeah, 86th Apparel, great gaming stuff if you're looking for some cool t-shirts from them. There's a link in the description in all my videos with my affiliate code for them. But yeah, I just completely forgot to mention that we had sponsors. I'm so sorry. But thank you to all the sponsors and people that decided to support my channel. But yeah, other than that, I'm here to stay. I had a great 2020, despite everything that went on. Honestly, I think it made my 2020 a little better because I was home from work and was able to keep constantly uploading videos. But yeah, 2020 was great. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, throw a comment down below. Let me know what your Christmas plans are. Let me know what your Hanukkah plans were. Let me know what you're doing for New Year's. Just have a conversation with me. I do respond to everybody. I give everyone a like and a heart at the very least, but I usually do try to respond to everybody. Just realized I talked a little fast there. I just finished watching Gilmore Girls again for the 4th time. So, well, not the 4th time together, but like back-to-back 4th time. So, I do a little fast talk every now and then. Any hoozle. It was a fun 2020. I look forward to 2021. And thank you all for the support. And hopefully I will be uploading every other week come 2021 for you guys. See you later.